welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the Christmas tree that is still up in the background. It is January 3rd and I am on a mission to get my house organized. For those of you that follow me, you guys know that we just moved into our new house. It's been a little over a month. And now that it's the new year and I have a new start, I am so motivated to get my house organized. I think I may turn this into a series on my channel where I organize every room in our house. First, we're gonna start off with the kitchen fridge. I know I can do a whole separate video on my kitchen cabinets and another video on my pantry, but today's video is going to be solely how I'm gonna organize my kitchen fridge. I just left the Container Store and I could seriously spend hours in there. I think I did. I spent like an hour and a half, but they just have so many options and so many cool gadgets and stuff. So I'm gonna turn the camera around really quick and show you guys everything I got to organize our refrigerator. So this is everything that I picked up to organize our fridge. I will go through everything with you guys in a minute, and I will have all of this stuff linked down below for you guys in case you are interested in anything that I share. And then over here is everything for our master bathroom. I was gonna do both of these things in one video, but I think I'm just gonna separate them. So the next video on this little series will be my master bath. All of this stuff is for our bathroom. So I'm really excited to get our bathroom organized too, but today's video is going to be solely on our refrigerator. So I picked up a ton of goodies. This is to hold blueberries, an onion, and then I got some clear Tupperware to put like whatever in there, and then I got this is a lettuce keeper. We really needed one of these because our lettuce would always go bad super fast, so this is supposed to keep it super fresh for a long period of time. And then I got a bunch of different size bins just to put whatever in. I don't really know what's gonna go in here yet. I'm gonna kind of figure it out as I go. But I got two of these deeper ones, two of these. You can kind of see on the picture how they have them all organized. But again, I'm just gonna kind of figure it out as I go. And then I got two skinnier ones, maybe to put like pouches, the girls like applesauce pouches and stuff. And then I got an egg organizer. I've always wanted one of these because I think they look super pretty in your refrigerator. So this is everything that I got. I'll show you guys what my fridge looks like right now to give you a before and after. So this is what we're working with. Everything is just all over the place. Nothing is organized. So this is the drawer that's the worst. So we have 3 drawers. This is like the snack cheese drawer. I don't know. It's kind of just like a total mess right now. As you can tell, there's no system, no organization whatsoever. Things are just thrown in here. I'm really excited to organize this drawer. And then I don't think I'm gonna do too much in the freezer because it's not too bad. We're mostly just gonna focus on the refrigerator part. So here's another before shot. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is take all of the labels off of all of my containers and all my organizers, wash them, dry them, and then I'm gonna take everything out of the refrigerator, wipe it all down, and then I'm gonna kind of organize it that way. But I will catch up with you guys after I'm done washing all of my containers. Okay, now that all of my bins are organized, I'm going to take everything out of the refrigerator and wipe everything down. And that way I can start with an open slate and I know everything that I have, and I can also throw anything away that's bad. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, the fridge is all wiped down and clean. We've got a clean slate to work with, and I took all of our food out of the fridge as well. So now I know what I'm working with. All of this food is fresh still. I threw everything out that was expired, and I have all of my containers over here that are all clean and wiped down and ready to be filled. So what I'm gonna do right now is try and place these into my fridge and figure out where I'm gonna have them in the fridge so that I can make sure everything fits, and then I will start putting things in the containers. Okay, so I have all the organizers and storage bins in my refrigerator, how I think I'm gonna have them. I just wanted to make sure that they would all fit and I didn't have to return anything, and I'm actually pretty impressed. I kind of went out on a limb here. With my master bathroom, I measured all of the drawers and everything, but I did not do that with my refrigerator, so everything fits, so I'm pretty proud of myself. And there's nothing in this drawer, but there is the onion holder and the lettuce storage, so that's going to be going in there along with other things that I have, but everything is pretty much in where I think it's going to be. And I don't think I showed you guys, I think I skipped over this, but you guys know that Adam drinks a lot of wine. I used to before I was pregnant, but this is perfect to keep the wine in place because we kind of just would throw it in here and it didn't ever fit properly. So I got 2 of those to stack on top of each other. And then these over here are going to be for fruit, and then the blueberry holder, and then this is a drink holder, like a can holder, so I have some cans that I'm going to put in there, the egg holder, and then just some other storage bins. So these organizers actually fit perfectly in here. So I have a lot of like string cheese and yogurts and stuff for the girls, so hopefully this will keep it nice and organized. So now what I'm gonna do is put all the food away and in all of the bins.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there? Are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. All your walls so numb, do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. But somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna Somewhere I'll go running and hide, looking for a new start.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to get yourself organized for the new year. I am so excited to do each room of my house and I can't wait to make this into a series. So give this video a thumbs up if you are interested in that and want me to do that on my channel. Next up is gonna be master bath. Like I said, I cannot wait to organize that space. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.